This video covers 10 core concepts of Python programming. These concepts are vital for building in Python, whether you're a computer science student or a non-coder who got stuck vibe coding a project. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the Deep Charts channel. Let's start with concept 1, printing. The print function is your direct line to see what's happening inside your code. Whatever you put in those parentheses, text, numbers, or variables, appears on screen. 2. Variables. Variables are containers, strings for text and quotes, integers for whole numbers, and booleans for true or false. Remember to capitalize the first letter of a boolean. 3. F strings. F strings make output readable. Put an F before open and closed quotes. Drop any expression inside curly braces, math, variables, even function calls, and Python slides the result right into your string. 4th, string methods. Strings come with built-in methods that transform text instantly. Title capitalizes each word's first letter. Upper gives full capitalization. Lower gives all lowercase. And strip removes white space. Type a dot after any string and your editor shows all the possibilities. 5th, lists. Lists store collections of anything. Square brackets create them. Append adds items to the end, and len tells you how many things are in the list. 6th, loops and list comprehensions. Python gives you 3 ways to loop through lists. First, rangeLen items creates numbers for each item in the list, and we use each number as an index to grab items 0, items 1, items 2. Second, enumerate is smarter. It hands you both the item and a counter in each loop, no indexing needed. That 1 tells it to start counting from 1 instead of 0. Third, list comprehensions are different. Instead of printing, they build a new list by applying an expression to each item. Here, for every string s in items, we uppercase it, add an exclamation point, and collect all results into the shouts list. The 7th concept is dictionaries. Dictionaries store key value pairs, labels on the left, values on the right. The get method won't crash if a key is missing. That 0 is the fallback value. Dictionaries are perfect for settings, API responses, or any data needing meaningful labels. 8. Functions. Functions package code into reusable blocks. The arrow followed by a variable type is a type hint. The string abbreviation within the function after the colon is also a type hint. Type hints document what goes in and comes out of a function. They help you and your code editor catch mistakes. Once defined with def, you can call a function anywhere by name with parentheses. 9th, error messages. Errors tell you exactly what went wrong and where. Try attempts to run risky code, and if it breaks, accept catches the specific error and lets your program keep running instead of crashing. The error message in E contains valuable debugging info. 10th, assert statements. Assertions verify your assumptions are true. If the condition is false, Python stops with your custom error message. It's generally better to fail fast and loud during development rather than let bad data corrupt everything downstream.